There were dragons when I was a boy. Some say they crawled back into the sea, leaving not a bone nor a fang for men to remember them by. Others say they were nothing but folk tales to begin with. I'm okay with that.
Sitting down in a restaurant, waiting for the check. We had made love earlier that day, with no strings attached. But I could tell that something had changed, how you looked at me then. Taking pictures of you with flowers on the wall. Think I like you best when you're dressed in black from head to toe. Think I like you best when you're just with me and no one else. Crystal, lying in my room, holding you until you fall asleep. And it's just as good as I knew it would be. Stay with me, I don't want you to leave.
He's alive! You brought him back alive!
I've been waiting for you to slip back in bed when you
I am the person I am today because of you. I never told you that, but it's true. You were the bravest, most stubborn, most determined knucklehead I know. Toothless didn't give you that hiccup. He just made it
easier.